歡迎我哋各位嘅來賓，我哋各位嘅傳媒朋友，各位嘅影迷，大家好！歡迎大家嚟臨第49屆香港國際電影節嘅開幕典禮，非常之榮幸啦，可以再一年參與呢個電影界嘅盛會擔任司儀。大家好，我係宋希蓮。Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our friends of the media, and our fellow cinephiles. A very warm welcome to the 49th Hong Kong International Film Festival opening ceremony. It's great to be back once again hosting this wonderful event. My name is Sarah, and I'm your host for this evening. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to bring your attention to the top of our grandstand. 跟住落嚟咧，想大家將你哋嘅目光轉移到我哋樓梯上。首先，我哋可唔可以以熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎我哋日本著名女演員安藤櫻 First of all, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome actress Ando Sakura. Very warm welcome. So lovely to see you in Hong Kong. Would you like to take a pause on the stairs for a photo at our official photographer? Please feel free to wave at our cameras. Everyone's so excited to see you. Thank you so very much, Ando-san. Please proceed and take a seat. 多謝晒安藤櫻可以先行咧嚟到我哋台下呢一度就座㗎，大家再次俾啲熱烈嘅掌聲。稍後時間你亦都可以同佢傾下偈㗎。Please take a seat. Thank you so much. 好，跟住落嚟我哋嘅掌聲唔好俾佢停啦，我哋有請第49屆香港國際電影節焦點影人古天樂先生。Let's welcome Louis Koo, our filmmaker in focus. 顧生你好，攞留步俾我哋嘅傳媒朋友影一影相㗎。我哋望望前方，我哋所有嘅傳媒朋友 ，all our media friends here and also our fans， 亦都好多粉絲們咧喺呢一度㗎。多謝晒顧生 ，thank you， 可以就座。Please take a seat。再接再厲啦！而家我哋熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎我哋第一部開幕電影《懺悔有時》嘅導演中島哲也。我哋有請 Let's give a warm welcome to Nakashima Tetsuya, the director of our first opening film, The Brightest Sun. Nakashima-san, please hold up the stands for a photo. Our official camera right at the front, and all our media friends here. It's a pleasure to have you here tonight. Thank you so much. Please feel free to proceed and take a seat. 多謝晒，我哋有請中島哲也可以咧就先行就座㗎。Thank you so much. Please take a seat.
係。
接住落嚟，我哋有請第二部開幕電影《搖籃凡世》嘅團隊。Let's welcome the cast from our second opening film, Pavan for an Infant。我哋有請導演張吉安，主演廖子瑜、袁富華，監製黃巧順、黃靜怡、龍國瑤，聯合監製陳曉平。歡迎咁多位。咁大家咧亦都可以咧就留一留步，望一望前方，同我哋嘅傳媒朋友揮一揮手㗎。冇錯啦，就係搖籃凡世嘅團隊啦。Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our cast from Pavan for an Infant。多謝晒，大家亦都可以慢慢咧移步到我哋嘅座位度就座，準備我哋陣間嘅儀式同埋我哋嘅傾偈環節嘅。多謝大家。Please take a seat. Everyone is so excited to see the cast here tonight. 今晚咧有好多我哋嘅業界嘅影人啦，亦都有我哋嘅演員們啦，都一齊嚟到我哋呢一個嘅城市㗎。好開心咧，可以喺呢一度啦，同一眾熱愛電影嘅貴賓啦，我哋業界嘅人士啦，同埋咧一眾嘅影迷們一齊慶祝咧本年度電影節正式開幕㗎。It is an absolute honor to have all distinguished guests, industry professionals, and fellow cinephiles here to celebrate the grand opening with us this evening. 首先呢個時候，我哋有請香港國際電影節協會主席黃英偉博士嚟到台上為我哋講幾句説話。First of all, I'd like to invite Chairman of the Hong Kong International Film Festival Society, Dr. Wilfred Wong, on stage to share a few words with us this evening. Dr. Wong, please.
各位嘉賓、各位傳媒朋友、各位來賓， 首先咧，好高興今日喺度見到大家，你哋出席我哋第49屆香港國際電影節嘅開幕典禮。今年咧係有2部嘅首映開幕電影，第一部咧係日本電影中島哲也導演嘅《懺悔有時》，佢係世界首映。呢部電影咧突出嘅地方咧，就係佢陣容演員陣容非常之強，有西島秀俊、滿島光、黑木華、柴少幸同埋役所廣司，咁嘅陣容咧係一時無兩嘅。第二部電影咧就係舊年我哋嘅火鳥大獎嘅得主馬來西亞導演張吉安先生，佢嘅電影咧就係《搖籃梵世》。我未睇呢部電影，我唔係好知個點解，睇完就會知㗎啦。咁咧就係由廖子妤同埋許欣薇主演嘅。今年我哋好榮幸得到袁澧林小姐出席，係做我哋嘅電影大使。佢咧喺百忙中都抽時間去宣傳電影節，推廣電影嘅文化。今年嘅焦點影人咧，大家頭先見到嘅就係古天樂先生。古生咧，古生咧就一貫咁酷嘅。佢咧就係喺香港推動香港電影業嘅發展咧，不遺餘力。尤其是佢係盡力去培養人才。所以佢對香港影壇嘅貢獻係非凡。今年除咗頭先嗰幾位咧，我哋仲好高興得到安藤櫻小姐佢哋親自出席。佢會參加我哋一個環節，就係名家講座。所以如果大家有時間，可以去捧下場。喺呢度咧，我係要衷心多謝香港政府文化、體育、旅遊局，你係講錯唔得嘅。仲要多謝咧文創產業發展處，我哋電影發展局嘅秘書長Gary 麥先生嚟咗。同埋我哋所有嘅贊助商同埋合夥人，冇你哋嘅支持，香港國際電影節冇可能行到第49年。大家注意49，出年就50週年。我哋咧個浪淘沙咧點樣淘咧，我哋都仲喺度。所以呢50年啦，咁出年咧，我哋會有啲好豐富嘅節目，而家咧係準備緊嘅，咁又要睇下政府支唔支持。最後咧就喺度衷心咁多謝大家參加電影節，希望你哋盡量享受未來呢12日嘅香港國際電影節。多謝大家。
多謝晒黃博士，請就座。Thank you, Dr. Wong. Please take a seat. 咁頭先黃博士都提及到啦，我哋今屆香港國際電影節大使袁澧林小姐，咁佢就擔任咗我哋好多嘅宣傳活動啦。但係今晚咧，佢就抱恙未能出席我哋今日嘅開幕典禮㗎。咁 Angela 咧就表示好遺憾，但係同時咧亦都寄予希望今年嘅電影節咧就可以順利舉行嘅。Our festival ambassador Miss Angela Yuen unfortunately is unable to join us this evening. However, she sends her well wishes and she wishes the 49th Hong Kong International Film Festival a great success. 好啦，而跟住落嚟，我哋就要邀請我哋今晚一位嘅焦點影人，就係古天樂先生嚟到台上同我哋傾下偈啦。Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our filmmaker in focus, Mr. Louis Koo, on stage to say a few words. Hello，古生你好，Hello 你好，歡迎你嚟到我哋今晚呢個電影節嘅開幕典禮啦。古生作為今年嘅焦點影人啦，咁你有啲乜嘢建議係可以俾我哋新一代嘅影人有啲咩 tips 可以喺呢度同我哋分享呢？
首先要捱得眼瞓啦，又要唔怕熱啦，又要視野睇得遠啲啦。好似講到睇動物大遷徙咁嘛。
係。
咁啊，但係真係嘅。不過我覺得最緊要係，我覺得敢於嘗試咯，唔好太過固步自封啦。第一，第二就係我覺得可以，尤其是而家 AI 咁成功啦，咁我覺得可以試下用啲唔同嘅 AI，可唔可以配合可以做多啲唔同嘅創意工業出嚟，包括電影係。
咁嗱，我知道你咧就身兼好多唔同嘅崗位啦，又係演員啦，又係監製啦，咁台前幕後咧都係功不可沒嘅。咁你又可唔可以同我哋分享下你自己覺得邊一個崗位你係最中意嘅咧？
每一個崗位有每一個崗位嘅特色嘅，我覺得。有時做演員可能你唔會了解到做幕後或者做監製嗰個苦處係乜嘢。但係當我做咗監製之後，我又覺得演員都好辛苦嘅，係啦。咁所以我覺得喺唔同個崗位我都享受到嗰個壓力。
每一個崗位都係一個學習
嗰個過程。
係
啦。都係講翻句説話啦，希望政府多啲支持啦。
好有默契，你今晚同阿黃博士係咪？
係啊，你知唔知點解打到燈綠色咁樣啊？係啊，我哋香港好耐冇睇過陰陽路。
Thank you，古生 ，Thank you，可以就座嘅，Thank you。So Mr. Koo has expressed, I asked him for a few tips for the next generation of filmmakers. He said there's a lot of hard work, you need to be persistent, but you just need to keep trying hard and working hard and don't be able to meet all the challenges that are faced within the film industry. And also I asked him which role as a filmmaker he likes the most. He's been an actor, he's also been a producer. He says it's a learning curve for any role that he takes on, and there are different challenges and difficulties to be met. But he thinks that every different role he takes on, he always picks up something new, and it teaches him to fight stronger and be more persistent. And he also hopes to receive more support from the Hong Kong government, and hopes that technology, we can maybe do something with AI together to also help the film industry. 再次多謝晒古生 ，Thank you。好啦，跟住落嚟，我哋有請我哋嘅日本著名女演員安藤櫻嚟到我哋台上咧，同我哋傾下偈嘅。Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to actress Ando Sakura. Hello, lots of your fans here. Please stand in the middle for us. Lots of your fans here this evening. 安藤櫻小姐你好，嗱今屆咧我哋香港國際電影節咧就將會有一個專題回顧你幾部咧重要嘅演出嘅作品㗎。你覺得咧成為一名出色嘅演員咧需要係有啲咩條件呢？
That's a difficult question.
Oh, we can actually speak English.
But, it depends on the actors, but 私の場合はなんかスキルとかでもないし、いまだにずっとこうどうやったらより自分がその作品とつながっていけるのかっていうところを、そう自分の人生もその作品に入った時もなんかそこにフォーカスしていると思います。まずじゃあ
咁佢就話即係比起一啲可能係條件或者係技能咧，其實佢覺得係點樣去令到自己同個作品更加有緊密嘅聯繫啦。包括其實接咗套戲一進入呢個拍攝咧，佢就係我生命嘅一部分啦。咁所以通常佢比起一啲技能咧，反而係強調呢一部分嘅。
So this year, our film festival will be diving deeper into many of the prominent roles that have been performed by Ando Sakura. And we asked her, what qualities do you think an actor or an actress needs to be successful? And she says for herself, and she can't speak for all actresses and actors, but when she receives a role, she needs to feel very connected. So her everyday life becomes that role, and that makes her perform better and understand her role better when she's acting.
こう映画を作る、こう仲間たちって言うとあれですけど、どうこ 共有していけるのか、自分がその時その時に一瞬一瞬出会うものとどうつながっていけるのかっていうのを自分自身が、その日々こうそこに、ちゃんといられるように私は努力していきたいなって思ってます。
咁佢就話，尤其是係同一齊做電影嘅所有，佢話係伙伴啦。咁其實佢都係覺得大家有 share 同一個嘅願景都係非常之重要嘅，因為佢自己喺每一個瞬間佢都會有唔同嘅體驗啦。咁點樣去將佢自己嘅個人嘅睇法去連串落去個作品入面啦，同大家一齊日日做好一部作品，就係佢比較重視嘅地方啦。
And she hopes to be connected with the cast members as well, because each stage of the film, each part she films, each scene they film together, there's a lot of communication, and the role grows within the group and the cast members as well. So she hopes to communicate and work well with the cast members at all times. 好啦，咁我知道咧，你就將會過2日咧出席我哋一個座談會，分享啦你作為演藝工作嘅一啲嘅經歷啦。咁其實咧反應係非常之好嘅，可唔可以預告一下咧座談會裡面咧可以同我哋分享啲乜嘢咧？
私もすごく一緒にお話しできることを楽しみにしてるんですけど、皆さんの言葉も聞きたいですし、私すごい香港の映画が大好きなので、その香港映画の近くにいらっしゃった皆さんは自分の過去の作品を見てどんな風に感じるのかっていうのをシェアできたらいいなっていうのをそれをすごい楽しみにしてます。
係啦，咁佢就當然非常之期待同大家見面啦。加上佢都好想聽大家香港嘅大家嘅意見嘅，因為佢自己都好中意香港嘅電影啦，所以佢想知道睇住香港電影成長嘅大家，唔知睇翻佢以前嘅作品又會有啲乜嘢嘅感受。
She's very excited to be meeting her fans from Hong Kong in the next few days for the seminar, the Fireside Chat, and she hopes to hear more feedback from the Hong Kong audience who've grown up watching Hong Kong film, what it's like to watch a film from Japan and the pieces that she's acted in before. And so she hopes to receive feedback from the audience to see how she can act better or how she can improve in her roles as well and what they like about her roles. Thank you.
もう全然
Anything else to add?
最初の質問がうまく答えられなかったから、もう今度の2回そのスクリーニングの時にちょっとちゃんと喋りたいです。
佢話頭先第一條問題，我覺得我答得唔係咁好，所以希望喺聽日嘅 Fireside Chat 我可以答一個好啲嘅答案俾大家。
Oh, that's not a problem. We love seeing you here anyways. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ando Sakura. Thank you. Ando Sakura said she felt like she could answer better for her first question, but we're just so excited to have her here. And I'm sure those of you joining the Fireside Chat in the next few days will hear more from her. Thank you once again. Thank you. 好啦，跟住落嚟咧，就有我哋今晚重頭戲嘅其中一部我哋嘅開幕電影嘅功臣咧，就嚟到呢一度台上咧，就同我哋傾下偈㗎。So here comes the most anticipated part of our night。首先，我哋熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎啦，懺悔有時嘅導演中島哲也嚟到台上。Let's welcome Nagashima Tetsuya, the director of The Brightest Sun, on stage. Hello, welcome. Nagashima-san, welcome. My first question for you is 中島哲也導演你好啦，多謝你帶嚟呢一部嘅開幕電影啦，可唔可以同我哋分享下咧呢部電影作品裡面咧有關一啲懺悔嘅主題咧？
今回の作品の懺悔というテーマをちょっとお話をいただけませんか？
懺悔っていうのは僕にとっては人間には変われる可能性があるっていうことです。どんなに、罪深い人間も、人を傷つけて生きてきた人間もある瞬間に浄化されて美しい人間に変われる瞬間はあるっていうことをこの映画で表現したつもりです。でそれが皆さんに分かっていただけるかどうかはこれから見ていただくのでその結果ですけれども、自分はなんかそういうことをずっと映画を作る間に考えていた気がします。
咁導演就話咧，有關懺悔呢個主題咧，佢自己咧就會諗好多嘢啦。例如話，因為佢覺得每個人都會有改變嘅可能。例如話，你做錯事，你可能傷害咗某啲人，但係你都可能會有改變嘅時候，可能會有淨化，變翻咗一個好人嘅一刻。咁所以呢啲都係佢拍戲嘅時候咧會思考嘅問題。都希望大家可以喺睇呢套戲嘅時候，諗下究竟係唔係有呢個可能性啊，或者係套電影入邊帶嚟嘅信息係咪同佢諗嘅一樣咯？
好，我亦都嘗試下將呢個翻譯為英文啦。So the topic that Nakashima explores in his movie The Brightest Sun is about confession and remorse, and he feels like watching this movie, maybe you can also reflect on mistakes that you've made in the past and how you can change those mistakes, or things that you've regret doing. Maybe the changes will, someone can reflect on those and change their life to bring maybe some good into their life or other people's life. And he hopes to make people more aware of issues like this when watching his film. 好啦，跟住下一條問題啦。咁我知道呢部電影咧就用咗好長時間去構思啦。對你嚟講咧，其實佢嘅重要性啦，或者意義喺邊度啦？同你以往嘅作品最大嘅分別又係乜嘢咧？
作品を今までの作品と一番大きい異なっているところは何ですか？そして自分にとって一番大きい意味とか何でしょうか？
今まで僕はプロの俳優さんとばかり仕事をしてきましたけれども、今回はその障害児っていう障害を抱えた子どもっていうのが物語の中心にいるので、そういう彼らとでもちろんそこにプロの俳優っていうのはほとんど存在しないので、彼らをオーディションして探すところから始まって、彼らと共に映画を作っていくことを初めて経験しました。だからそれはやっぱり演技のものすごく修練をしたプロの俳優さんとは全然違う演技を彼らは彼らでするんですよね。でそれを僕も見て、それをフィルムに収めることで、自分自身がものすごく学んだことがたくさんありました。だから今までの僕の映画と違うところがあるとしたら、やっぱり障害児がどういう表情をしているのかっていうそこの部分だと思います。でそれに対してプロの、キャスティングも素晴らしいですけれども、日本を代表するいろんな俳優さんたちが出ていただきまして、その人たちがどう彼らに対抗していったか。普通やっぱり子供には負けるんですよね、プロの役者は、特に大人は。でも完全に戦っていると思います。だからそのプロの俳優と、素人ではあるけれどもものすごく魅力的な障害のある子どもたちとの演技の対決を見ていただいて、どちらが魅力的であったかを映畫を見て判斷していただければ僕は嬉しいと思います。
咁咧導演就話咧，其實佢以前嘅作品咧，好多時都係同一啲比較專業嘅演員去拍啦。咁因為專業嘅演員嘅話，佢哋好多時都會發揮佢哋好好嘅演技。但係今次嘅作品入邊咧，就會有一啲殘障嘅兒童。咁通常佢哋都係一啲唔識做戲嘅人啦。咁今次咧，佢個最大嘅挑戰就係要點樣指導佢哋去拍戲啦，同埋留低佢哋嘅影像喺個菲林入邊。咁另外咧就係呢一樣嘢就係雖然佢哋係唔識做戲，雖然佢哋係殘障兒童，但係咧同真正專業嘅演員，譬如今次呢套電影入邊都好多大卡士啦，呢啲大卡士同佢呢啲殘障兒童佢哋嘅對戲啊，佢哋嘅交鋒都好精彩咯。希望大家都睇完之後去判斷究竟邊一種嘅演技係好啲啊，或者邊一樣可以打動你自己嘅內心啦咁樣。
So what Nakashima-san has expressed, normally in his previous films, he only works with professional actors. But this film, he's working with professional actors and real-life people with disabilities who don't have any acting background. So he wants to all the audiences to feel that rawness of the acting, how the professional actors communicate and work with these real-life people with disabilities. And we hope that through their stories and their real acting, that it can touch many hearts, those who watch this film. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
多謝晒，鍾道智先生。Thank you. We hope the great success for The Brightest Sun world premiere tonight. 今晚咧就係我哋嘅全球首映啦，所以咧大家希望咧就可以欣賞到呢一套電影就係《懺悔有時》啦。Thank you so much. 好啦，跟住落嚟啦，我哋再次俾啲熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎我哋另外一部開幕電影，就係《搖籃凡世》嘅一班卡士嚟到台上，就係導演張吉安、主演廖子妤、袁富華同埋咧我哋嘅監製黃巧順嚟到台上 ，welcome， 有請4位。Hello， 4位你好。歡迎大家 ，thank you。咁我哋首先咧就同導演張吉安先生傾下偈先啦。咁其實咧，導演我知道咧《搖籃凡世》咧呢個故事就係圍繞住呢個棄嬰倉嘅。其實當初點解會有呢一個嘅構思咧？
首先多謝香港電影節嘅邀請啦。咁呢一部電影嘅嗰個時代背景係 After Covid， 就係我哋知道好似After Covid 之後，我哋比較注重關於經濟嘅問題，但係比如講喺馬來西亞、東南亞，尤其是棄嬰嘅嗰個數量，其實係 After Covid 之後有提高嘅。咁我哋做採訪嘅期間咧，就發覺到呢個社會嘅問題係幾嚴重下嘅。咁嗰陣時，咁投資方都非常願意帶出呢個主題。咁我哋就揾到香港嘅團隊。就嚟構思同埋籌備呢部電影係。
So Director Zhang has expressed that after COVID, a lot of people focused on the financial side or the economic side of a series of events after COVID. But actually in Malaysia, a lot of babies and baby hatchers, there were a lot of babies that were given up and not looked after. So they wanted to explore further into social matters like this. So they approached the Hong Kong team and the Hong Kong production to see if they want to work together on this film. 好啦，之後另一條問題咧就係問你啦。咁你過往2部電影咧都係女性就係做主角㗎啦。今次咧就係集中係一個母親啦，就關於做母親啦，又或者一啲生育嘅問題㗎。咁你描寫阿 Fish 啦同埋許欣怡嘅角色嘅時候啦，有冇特別想呈現到一啲咩女性嘅一啲特質咧？
為咗呢一部電影，其實我哋訪問咗大概有12個。到12個母親都係單親媽媽，咁年齡都係介於18歲到27歲之間嘅。咁佢哋都有棄嬰嘅嗰個經驗。其實每一次同佢哋講起佢哋棄嬰嘅嗰個過程，其實好多都好後悔嘅，因為佢哋嗰陣時冇辦法就用咗呢個辦法嚟解決當時嗰陣時嘅困難，同埋好多時候我哋都冇解決到關於女性自身嘅嗰個身體嘅自主權。所以喺馬來西亞，畢竟係一個穆斯林嘅國家，好多時候我哋覺得多元民族、多元嘅信仰會對一個國家同埋社會，其實好多時候係好多抉擇嘅問題嘅。所以呢一部電影嗰陣時揾到阿 Fish 同埋許欣怡，同埋加咗一個比較特別嘅角色，就係阿 Ben 哥。佢喺電影當中係變成我哋採訪其中一個 case， 係點解一個18歲嘅女仔會懷孕？係經過佢嘅手嘅。咁大家應該等陣睇電影嘅時候就有答案。所以我覺得我哋探討嘅唔係對跟同錯，主要原因係我哋應該俾女性自己身體嘅自由同自主權，唔係用男性嘅角度去睇。係。
So when Director Zhang was filming this film, he actually interviewed 18 single mothers who have given up their children, and they were very young, aged from 18 to 27. So he recorded all these real life stories, and they wanted to explore on social topics such as female rights, females' rights with their bodies, and also religious issues that are quite apparent in the Malaysian culture. So all these topics are explored in the film. And one of the stories, the actual stories are written inside the film as well. And when you watch the film, you will get to know what the story is. And that role is played, main role is played by Fish and also Ben, who are part of a real story that he spoke with a real person who lived that story. 好啦，跟住落嚟，我同阿 Fish 傾下偈啦。好，Fish 你好，Fish 咧你就今次咧演呢個角色啦。其實你去演呢個角色，因為你唔係一個你係一個 social worker 啦。咁你演呢個角色嘅時候，你有啲乜嘢準備咧？
準備就我哋之前啱啱翻到去馬來西亞嘅時候，我哋係有一啲圍讀啦，一啲圍讀同埋去到個戲英倉去實習工作嘅一啲範圍，令到我更加可以沉浸喺嗰個環境入邊。但係更多時候咧，係我覺得我係有呢個時間可以俾我去沉浸喺內心嘅世界。佢嘅世界就係啲能量，所有嘢就係非常之 down， 佢困喺自己一個過去做錯嘅事入邊。即係佢就將自己困喺個過去，而個過去係充斥住佢成個氛圍，所以我就會喺呢一套戲入邊就用一個感覺上都係維持住一啲克制啲嘅演法。我記得我有啲比較激動啲嘅場合，我之前喺東京嘅時候睇完之後，原來導演剪咗。其實我拍嘅時候咧，我都有好多疑惑，究竟咁樣啱唔啱？咁樣啱唔啱？反而呢種搖擺，可能或者係一啲比較迷惘嘅呢一個瞬間，係導演想要嘅。咁導演就會可能再拿捏一啲過咗火位，佢就會唔要啦。呢個就係我哋合作嘅一個方式。
So Fish, to prepare for this role, she actually went to work at Baby Hatches as a social worker to immerse herself in the role. And she felt that because the role was always very negative and suppressed, that when she was acting, she was suppressing her acting as well. So I think you can see her performance through the film, and I think the director's final cut would be what he judged as the best version of Fish's acting. OK， 咁下一條嘅問題咧就係、你就係馬來西亞人啦，咁今次咧你就去到馬來西亞拍電影，咁你覺得同喺香港拍攝啦，有冇啲乜嘢唔同嘅體會咧？
呢個就非常之有趣，因為我以前喺馬來西亞係有拍過戲嘅。咁我哋嗰邊嘅一啲制度上邊，又或者係一啲工作嘅程序上面，其實係同香港係有啲類似嘅，因為我哋嘅前輩係好多香港過去馬來西亞做。教我哋去做啊，所以適應上就還好，但係最關鍵嘅就係個節奏上啦。咁香港就係、即係寸金寸土，所有嘢都係要快嘅。咁我就要重新就要翻到去再調教翻我喺馬來西亞或者身為一個馬來西亞人有嘅一個節奏上邊嘅嘢咯。
你覺得係你角色上嘅演繹啊，定係喺個拍攝嘅過程上咧
？Both。因為我唔可以太過去好心急地去演一個唔同節奏嘅嘢，即係我要喺戲裏戲外，我都要重新再調教我自己嘅心情啊，又或者係我點樣去，即係可能身為馬來西亞人，一啲嘢點解會冇咁焦急，又或者係孰重孰輕嘅嗰種點講態度，即係同香港人嘅節奏係有啲唔同咯。
So Fish said that when she's taking on this role, because she's been acting in Hong Kong for so many years, when she's acting in Malaysia for this particular role, she felt for her role and for herself, she needs to remind herself to slow down because Hong Kong is so fast-paced. And to be acting in Malaysia and to be more immersed in her role, she keeps reminding herself that she has to take it more slowly and also adjust the pace that the Malaysians live in or the production pace in Malaysia as well, which is a little bit different to how we work in Hong Kong. 好啦，跟住落嚟咧，同 Ben 哥傾下偈啦。你頭先導演咧就話透露咗少少你嘅角色啦。咁啊，你故事裡面咧就係一個真實嘅故事，你就係咧演呢一個嘅神壇嘅師傅喎。可唔可以分享下你今次演呢個角色咧？你係點樣籌備，又或者你覺得係點樣將佢演活到咧？
你好啊，咁係一個其實類似一個苗族嘅物體啦，人類啦。咁佢就因為正當係 Covid 嘅時候之後咧， 有一個小朋友即係利用咗佢哋迷失嘅心態，因為唔知點樣去嘅時候咧，就用一啲類似拜神嘅嘢啊。如果喺香港嚟講，就變咗就係一啲嗰啲佢哋去性交轉運啊嗰啲咁樣而。所以我最主要就係要令到佢哋入信咯。我要練習嗰啲求神舞啦，同埋一啲祭祀嘅時候係嘛祭祀嘅時候嗰啲跳嗰啲遊行啦，同埋最重要一樣技能咧就係類似啲問米嘅。咁我好記得嗰次拍咗係好多部 cam 一齊，我就一剔過要一雙落成個過程咁樣做。我完咗之後就成身汗，好攰，好似唔知剔咗3剔定2剔同埋嗰個。
哇
！3剔係啊，咁嗰個咁要籌備嘅功夫，我就係要做呢啲自己嘅體力啦，同埋我完全唔識呢啲嘅，所以就做 research 嘅時候就會睇呢樣嘢啦。而導演亦都幫咗我好大忙，因為李爸爸都係當然佢唔係壞人啦，佢爸爸不過係一個好有法力嘅師傅嚟嘅，咁啊所以佢有好多呢啲咁嘅秘訣傳授俾我去做咯。但係要練就好辛苦啦。
明白明白，我相信一定係好大挑戰性嘅。So Ben is a clairvoyant in the film, and in the film the story is that he deceived a young girl, and the girl ended up having his baby. So through this film, he found it very difficult to learn the different religious rituals which he had to perform, which he has no understanding of. And this is in the film. He said that one particular scene was very tiring for him because he had to remember all the rituals and all the steps into doing certain religious performances. And I think you guys will also see that in the film. And take a look for yourself and judge what you think of his performance. Thank you. 唔該晒 Ben 哥 Thank you. 好啦，跟住落嚟到我哋嘅監製黃巧順啦，可唔可以同我哋分享下啦？其實香港嘅演員同埋呢個團隊啦，同我哋香港演員同埋團隊嘅合作嘅經驗係點啦？亦都會唔會呼籲更多東南亞嘅地區咧，就可以同我哋香港演員同埋我哋香港團隊合作咧？
好，大家好。咁首先要多謝香港國際電影節啦，俾我哋呢個機會做其中一部開幕片。咁都要先借呢個機會多謝我哋嘅Sunstrong Entertainment， 我哋嘅林老闆。咁就因為有佢咧，先有呢一部電影嘅。咁同香港合作，其實馬來西亞好多電影其實都喺好多年來都係有同香港合作嘅。咁我哋呢部咧就係其中一部係關於馬來西亞嘅故事嘅。咁同香港合作咧係一個我覺得係一個非常好嘅交流啦。咁呢一次咧，我哋除咗有2位香港監製，咁我哋有攝影係來自香港，咁剪接都來自香港，咁仲有就係我哋嘅特效都來自香港等等。咁呢一個合作係咁最重要嘅就係喺片尾咧會有一首主題曲係非常好聽，都係來自香港嘅。咁我覺得呢一次嘅合作咧係非常之愉快。咁同埋咧，除咗有香港演員，我哋仲有啲好出色嘅馬來西亞演員咧，都係非常之出色嘅。
So Mr. Wong has expressed that actually the Malaysian film industry works very closely with the Hong Kong film industry for many years, but this time the story is a Malaysian story, so that makes it more unique, working with a Hong Kong team. There's Hong Kong producers, editors, actors, but also actors from Malaysia as well. But they had a great time working together. Also, the theme song is a theme song produced in Hong Kong, so that's something that we can all look forward to in the film as well. And he said that they work well together and they look forward to more collaborations in the future.
咁仲有一個非常重要，因為古生喺馬來西亞開咗公司啦，咁我幾乎3部電影嘅器材都係你個公司嘅，所以非常多謝你。
So also thank you to Mr. Khoo, because Mr. Khoo has a film company in Malaysia and a lot of the equipment for this film and the previous films that director Zheng has filmed is using Mr. Khoo's equipment and support from his film company. Thank you so much， 多謝晒喺呢一度咧，我哋再次多謝搖籃范世嘅一眾嘅團隊，多謝晒喺呢度預祝咧你哋電影票房咧同埋口碑都係非常之好啊！ Thank you again and thank you to the team from Pavan for an Infant wishing your film great success。好啦，我哋香港國際電影節咧可以成功咁樣舉行啦，實在係有賴大家嘅支持㗎。咁好高興啦！今年我哋電影節再度咧就同美國運通攜手合作，成為咧第49屆香港國際電影節嘅官方支付伙伴嘅，推出咧就購買電影節正價門票可以享用咧就係7折嘅優惠啊！如果想知更多關於呢個優惠嘅詳情，可以留意美國運通以及我哋香港國際電影節嘅官網㗎。It is our honor to have American Express to be our festival's official payment partner again this year. Eligible members will be able to enjoy a 30% discount for any HKIFF 49 regular priced ticket purchases. For more details, please visit the official website of American Express or our society. 好，喺呢度咧，亦都代表香港國際電影節協會咧，衷心感謝文化體育及旅遊局以及咧文創產業發展處嘅鼎力支持㗎，仲有我哋所有嘅合作伙伴同埋贊助商，令到電影節咧得以順利舉行。On behalf of the Hong Kong International Film Festival Society, I'd like to express our heartfelt thank you to Culture, Sports and Tourism Bureau and Cultural and Creative Industries Development Agency and all our partners and sponsors, especially for their tremendous support on making this festival happen. 好，跟住落嚟咧，我哋亦都有一個影相嘅環節㗎。咁我哋咧就可以歡迎以下嘅嘉賓咧，就嚟到台上咧就進行我哋呢個影相環節。We're going to have a group photo, so we're going to invite the following guests on stage for the group photo. 好，首先我哋咧就請以下嘅嘉賓嚟到台前先。Please join us to welcome the following guests onto the stage. 好，我哋俾少少時間，我哋工作人員咧準備好我哋台上影相嘅 prop 先。Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you all for being here tonight for the 49th Hong Kong International Film Festival Grand Opening Ceremony. And it's an absolute pleasure to have all the guests here this evening and our supporters and sponsors here tonight. I'd like to welcome the following guests onto the stage. 我哋有請香港國際電影節協會主席黃英偉博士，歡迎。香港電影發展局秘書長、文創產業助理專員麥盛希先生。第49屆香港國際電影節焦點影人古天樂。跟住我哋繼續有請 ，please welcome 我哋演員安藤櫻 actress Ando Sakura， 開幕電影《懺悔有時》嘅導演中島哲也 Nakashima Tetsuya the director of The Brightest Sun， 開幕電影《搖籃范世》嘅導演張吉安，歡迎主演廖子瑜、袁富華，監製黃巧順、黃正儀。龍國瑤聯合監製陳曉平，跟住落嚟，我哋有請香港國際電影節協會董事局成員 The Board Members of the Hong Kong International Film Festival Society， 我哋有請師傅徐林善麗博士，歡迎董事陳志超太平紳士，董事楊偉成博士。同埋香港國際電影節協會行政總監利亞博先生、節目總監黃志輝先生，歡迎。首先歡迎咁多位先。我哋先望望我哋台下嘅大會攝影師影張合照㗎。So let's all look at the official photographer on the floor for a group photo first. Right on the floor in the middle for a group photo. Okay, and then...Let's look at all our media friends at the back. 我哋望望後方，我哋所有嘅傳媒朋友 all the media friends gathered here at the back. 冇錯啦。好，跟住我哋可以望望我哋右手邊 also to your right hand side, also to your right hand side. And to your left hand side, 我哋左手邊 your left hand side. Our fans and our media friends on your left hand side.好，跟住落嚟咧，我哋再影多一張合照嘅。咁我哋再次邀請咧，就係高先電影有限公司創辦人及行政總裁曾麗芬女士。 好，繼續咧，我哋就有請咧一眾嘅合作伙伴啦，同埋贊助商嘅。Also invite our festival partners and sponsors to join this photo as well。我哋有請三月設計總監徐秀義。我哋有請我哋嘅官方支付伙伴美國運通嘅代表 from American Express, the festival's official payment partner, Director, Head of Product, Brand and Loyalty International Card Services Hong Kong, Ms. Katie Zhe. Welcome, Katie, to the stage. Moleskine Manager, GBA Taiwan, Ms. Carrie Leung. Nespresso Hong Kong and Macau Marketing Director, Ms. Kathy Liu. Kiwa Bakery Managing Director, Mr. Kenneth Wong. Australia's Consul General in Hong Kong and Macau, Acting Consul General, Mr. Alistair McKirkin. Consul General of France in Hong Kong and Macau, Deputy Consul General, Mr. Benjamin Huban. Italian Cultural Institute Hong Kong Director, Ms. Alice Fraticangelli. 北京日本文化中心日本國際交流基金會主任助理洪靜華女士。Korean Cultural Centre in Hong Kong Director Mr. Choi Jae-wong. Goethe Institute Hong Kong Delegate of Goethe Institute Mr. Kelvin Chuck. Welcome all guests. Let's also take another group photo together. 好，我哋再次望望我哋台下大會攝影師先。Let's look at our official photographer on the floor for our first photo. 台下大會攝影師影第一張相 ，our official photo right at the centre on the floor. Okay, at the back, right at the back, our official media and photographer at the back. 我哋後方所有嘅傳媒朋友同埋我哋大會攝影後方位置。好，跟住我哋可以望望左手邊。Let's look slightly to your left-hand side at all our fans here and all our guests here on your left-hand side. And also let's look to our right-hand side as well. 我哋右手邊呢邊，亦都望望右手邊呢邊。Thank you so much. Thank you. 多謝晒大家。Thank you all our guests on stage. Thank you very much. 多謝晒我哋台上咁多位嘅嘉賓，多謝晒。第49屆香港國際電影節，我哋嘅開幕典禮已經係圓滿結束。喺呢度我謹代表大會咧，多謝我哋所有贊助商同埋我哋合作伙伴、電影嘅發行商啦，同埋我哋傳媒朋友同埋觀眾嘅鼎力支持嘅。Thank you so much everyone for joining us this evening. On behalf of the Hong Kong International Film Festival Society, we're here to give our massive thank you to all our partners, sponsors, film directors, media and audience for your dedication and support. 大家記得啦，4月10號至21號一齊支持我哋第49屆香港國際電影節。Thank you. We look forward to the 12 days of our Hong Kong International Film Festival. Thank you so much and have a great evening. Enjoy the festival and the films. Thank you so much.